Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Portable apps. What are they? And what do you want to know about them? I'm Huey Poplock. Portable applications offer some definite advantages. They are lightweight and they allow you to move between computers while taking your apps and settings with you. Here's why they are different and why they sometimes, but not always, are a good choice. When you install an app in Windows, the installation files go to several different locations. The bulk of the app's files are usually copied to a single folder, somewhere in the C:/program files folder. Files that contain settings applying to all users of the app may get created in the program data folder. Settings that are particular to different user accounts on the PC are stored in files created in the hidden app data folder inside each account's user folder. Most apps create entries in the Windows registry that may also hold various configuration settings. And many apps take advantage of shared code libraries that get installed with things like the .NET framework and Visual C++ redistributables. A portable app is simply one that doesn't use an installer. All of the files required to run the app reside in a single folder, which you can put anywhere on the system. If you move the folder, the app will still work the same. Instead of installing a portable app, you typically download it as a zip file, extract that zip to a folder, and run the executable file for that app. If the app allows you to save settings, those settings are saved right inside that same folder. The most significant benefit of using portable apps is self-evident. They're portable. Stick them on a USB drive, for example, and you can carry them around from computer to computer. They won't leave any footprint on the PCs you run them on. Everything, including any settings you saved, is saved right in the portable apps folder on the USB drive. It's very similar to the ways things worked back in the days of MS-DOS and Windows 3.1. Portable apps can be helpful even if you aren't moving between computers, though. For one thing, they leave a smaller footprint on your PC. They tend to be lighter weight than most installable apps just by the virtual and not having to be installed. You can sync them along with their settings to your other PCs using something like Dropbox. Or you can just use an app once without having to worry about leaving junk on your system. If you're running portable apps from a USB drive, you'll want to take care to eject the drive properly instead of just pulling it out. Otherwise, you can corrupt the apps or cause settings not to be saved properly. That said, the advantages of portable apps usually outweigh the disadvantages, particularly if you move around to different PCs a lot. PortableApps.com provides access to several hundred portable apps that you can download and install to your portable apps disk. Many of these apps can only be installed to the portable apps suite, and you don't have a portable version you can use without the suite. The portable apps does offer the advantage of being able to choose exactly which apps you want to include. It's worth exploring what portable apps have to offer. There's nothing quite like the feeling of freedom and flexibility you get from knowing that with the USB drive hanging from your keychain, you can run all the critical aspects of your computer life. Let's take a look at PortableApps.com. We are on the Portable Apps website, and a word of warning. The website is free. The downloads are free. In order to support themselves, they have advertising. They have a lot of advertising. You have to be careful when you click on something, you're not opening up ads. They want you to do that. Let's take a look right down here at the bottom. You'll see this is an ad. But let's move down here. Now this is a download from the website itself. We're going to go to the Apps tab, and we're going to see that the portable app directory is there. Right now, let's take a look at the list. They are by topics, and you will see as we scroll down, and I'll scroll fairly slow. I'm not going to read them all off to you. You can go back and you can examine them. You can take a look. but you can see there's a lot of programs available. Let's take a look at Calibra Portable. We're on the particular app, portable app. There is a description of it. There is some information on how you can get support about it. And then there's download details. Again, you don't want to click down here for download. It's an ad. You're going to get something else. So what you're going to do is come up here to the green where it says download from portable apps. Another way you can tell is if you look at the bottom left, it says https:/portable apps. When we click that, it tells us it's downloading it. Again, another ad pops up. Don't click on it, but down here in the corner, it is downloading the app that we want. I have my computer defaulted to the download folder when I download a file. Yours may not. You may not know where that is going. So if you come down to this corner and right mouse click and click Show in Folder, you will see there is the app. Now what I do is, because I want to, this is going to be an app by itself, I'm going to say, well, I want to create a new folder. I'm going to call it Calibra Portable. Then I'm going to take this file and I'm going to drag it and drop it. So now when we click on the folder, there is the file we just downloaded. So now I have it in its own folder. It is installing it in the folder that I just created. So it's like an installer, but it really isn't. You'll see that in just a moment. I say OK, backtrack that, and delete it. And so I want it in the folder I just created. So all the pieces and parts will be in there as opposed to into another subfolder. And then I just tell it to install. And it's done. So here is the installation, all within the folder called Calibra Portable. And all of the files and subfolders that it needs are in that folder. In order to run it, you hit the calibraportable.exe. The first time through, it's got to do a little bit of setup. And congratulations, you have successfully set up Calibra. Press the Finish button to apply your settings. So we click Finish, and it's there. And it's opening. There is one book already installed that comes with it, which is the Quick Start Guide, which will help you learn how to use it. More on Calibra next week. Next, I'd like to show you using the Portable Apps app as a better way to control and to take care of what we just did. First, we want to go to the download page. And we want to download portableapps.com platform. It's a way of getting all the portable apps that you want to download in one group. What you want to do is come here and get the green download from portableapps.com. It's now downloading. Again, we're going to go to Show in Folder, and you will see it's the portableapps.com platform setup. This we're just going to click on from here. I have installed a thumb drive in my system, and we're going to install this program to the thumb drive and anything we want to add to that. We're going to continue. So we have to come down here. We have to, yes, I agree. You want to choose New Install. We're going to hit Next. We're going to put it on our portable device. We're going to say Next. I want it on my F drive. Click Next. It says you have selected to install, and it says the root of that drive. And I'm going to say yes. Go ahead and install it. Okay, it is checked for Run Portable Apps. We want to go ahead and do that. So we're going to click Finish. It tells you what's new in it, and they want you to donate. We're just going to say Close. It's going to the Portable App directory. It's checking for apps. And there's a list of all the apps that I could choose. So let's take a few here. I'm going to take this. Get Poker TH. Irfan View, it's a Google Chrome, and we're going to pick Audacity, and it is Revo Uninstaller. And now I'm going to say Next, but you can see that it's downloading one of 7. I cut out a lot of the terms of service as each one installed. It did it automatically, but I had to click in various spots while I was doing the install. But now if we go to the drive, the USB drive, we will see that we have a start. So if we click on start in the screen, so you will see that it shows the various topics. All of the programs that I had pegged to be installed are here. And check for updates. You can get more apps by category. You can install a new app. So if we go to one of these, it gives you some information about the program. And there's the program running. I'm not going to go through it or how to use it. It's just there. And you can see you can run any of your programs from this menu. That's portable apps, the actual program, and individual apps as well. Portable apps, what are they? And what do you want to know about them? I'm Huey Poplock.